Model Making Guru is sponsored by emodels.co.uk, your one-stop shop for all your model making needs. emodels.co.uk. Make something awesome. Hey everyone, it's Foxx from Model Making Guru here. Hello, 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 hello. Welcome, welcome. Very, very quick video. It's mailbag time. Yes, but I've already opened them. Never mind, so I can't do the surprise opening. I was expecting some stuff to arrive today and some other stuff to arrive maybe next week, which I was going to film. The stuff that I was expecting maybe next week turned up today. I thought it was something else and opened them all and was like, oh, I should have filmed that. So never mind, we can't have a chaotic box opening, which is why my desk isn't cleared. Anyway, a couple of things have arrived today. Something that's model making related that I've ordered and is not that exciting really, and something that's like, oh, you're going to enjoy this. So what's the first thing that's arrived? First thing that arrived, magnets. How do they work? Got a load of magnets. I keep meaning to get some magnets, and now I've got some, all different sizes. What have I got? I've got some 10mm, I've got some 1mm, I've got some dropped 2mm, and I've got some in a box that I can't see, and I think these are all N42 magnets, apart from this one which is N35, and I don't quite know why. I don't need that to be super strong. I had to do some research into the strength of magnets. I need to make sure they're reasonably strong, so I wanted something like, you know, I want to try and find some with a couple of kilogram pull, but nobody lists them by pull, they list them by the category, which is like N32, N45, N50, whatever. So I didn't understand any of it, so I just ordered some. So I've got a load of magnets, and these are for my Warhammer builds and anything else. I'm going to need these for the Imperial Knight. I'm also going to need them for the turret on my Lehman Russ tank, for my kernel and beginning and seed of my Warhammer army, the unending forces of the holy contrivance, as you've seen. I posted up early today. I've got the let's start building Astra Militarum, or whatever it's called. I've got that kit built now, that whole set, with the little Lehman Russ, the heavy weapons squad, and the squad of dudes, the 10 sort of gun fodder. So they've been built. They're just waiting for the competition for one of you guys. One of you, you could be you there, not you, him there, or her there, could be her, could be any of you. Anyway, waiting for one of you guys to give me the best colour scheme, which I'm picking next month. So they've gone back in the box for now. This is the E-Models build. But I'm going to use these for the turret on the Lehman Russ, so I can swap the weapons out. I decided not to magnetise the weapons on the sponsons and on the front, because they just slip in and out anyway. They don't need magnets for those. And I'm going to use this for the Imperial 9, anything else I need magnets for. So now I have 10 million magnets. Now, something else has arrived today. Here's a clue. I've got a mug full of milk. What could I possibly need a mug full of milk for? Well, follower Robbie Gearey contacted me and said, hey, you like spicy things. Can I send you something? And I have to admit, Robbie, when I first read your message, I thought you said you like space things, or I may have read it as sci-fi things. And at first I'm thinking, oh, you want to send me a model kit? Okay. But then when he told me what it was, I'm like, oh, I misread spice, not I misread spice as space. It sounded like, oh. So anyway, he sent me something, and I'm going to horribly regret this. He has sent me Pig of Doom from the Snuffling Pig Company. These are pork scratchings with ghost chili. Yeah, I've never had a ghost chili. I've never had any chili stronger than the kind of chili you get from the kebab shop or on a pizza. So I mean, I've had chili in food, I've never had, so this will be the strongest I've ever gone. I don't think I'll be able to eat more than maybe one. The Pig of Doom. Super piggin warning hot stuff, it says. Awesome flavoured pork crackling, or pork scratchings as we call it up north here. What does it say? I'm going to say pork scratching, because we don't do pork crackling, we do pork scratchings. Pork scratchings seasoned with ghost chili. I can't see it with these glasses on. At Snuffling Pig, we think if something is worth doing, it's worth doing pigging right. That's why we always set out to make the finest, most awesome flavoured pork crackling possible. It's pork scratchings. Get northern. This jar of Pig of Doom is a truly fiery swine, using ghost chili to proper knock your socks off. It's perfect for those, I can't read it, those heat seekers who like it scorchio, but perhaps don't feed it to your unsuspecting mate / gran / dog. Keep the piggin dream alive. Buy refills and register your jar for exclusive offers at www.snafflingpig.co.uk. Ingredients: pork rind, seasoning. I've got the wrong glasses on. Let me put my other glasses on. Oh, I need me glasses around. Oh man, I need reading glasses. Ingredients: pork rind, seasoning, naga holokia, maybe. Flavour enhancer, blah blah blah. It doesn't say death. Okay. Other glasses off now. Right. So I have. Yeah, I'm gonna regret this. Paul's watching this now and going, yeah, I know what ghost chilies are like. So let's do this, shall we? I don't know how many I'll be able to eat. He says I might be able to eat a few before the burn sets in, and he says I might be fine now, but it's tomorrow that I'll really suffer. Yeah. See, I'm doing this for you guys, viewers, to watch. The thing is, I love pork scratchings. I love pork scratchings. I'll have a sniff. Okay. They smell like pork scratchings. If I didn't know better, I'd be wolfing these down by the handful, by the fistful. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. Ready? Go. Nom 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 nom. Nothing's happening yet. Not much. I've got a little hint of ghost chili. Nom 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 nom. Nom nom nom. I'm not getting kicked in the balls yet. Maybe there's a delay on it. I can feel something. Well, I'm going to hazard a guess. Nom 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 nom. There's no way to eat these quickly. Ugh. Well, whew. Okay. It's not. It's not kind of going to hit you in the knackers like Okay. Yeah, I'm getting it now. It's not exactly not exactly hitting me in the knackers like some of the other chilies I've had in the hot noodles, or at least not as quickly. It's not like it's not. Oh, hello. I'm just going to put this lid back on. It's building up. I'll take the lid back off again. Have another one. Oh, nom. Okay. There it is. Right, it's not like the other chili things I've had where it kind of burns your whole mouth and your throat. This is just burning the sides of my tongue, and it's actually getting stronger and stronger over time. Okay, that was quite strong. Oh, by heck. Oh, I've not had the hiccups yet. Oh. That was a bad move. I had a little bit in my teeth, so I went to get out my teeth, my tongue went, ah! Oh, blimey. This has got a right long fuse on it. Oh. Ah. Oh. Oh. It's kind of stabilised, I think. The worst bit is, now I've got a big floppy moustache. Oh, I'm going to have to blow my nose. Oh, blimey, Riley. Oh. Oh. Now I've got a big long floppy moustache. It's going to be in my moustache for ages, the powder. Oh. I'm going to put them to one side. I don't think I'm eating much more than that. Oh, that's different to the chilies I've had before. It's not burning my mouth, it's just burning my tongue. And like a little bit, it's kind of, I can feel my teeth. I think it's going to keep building up over the next, I don't know how long. But if I was to snaffle a lot of these down, I think it's cumulative. The more you eat, the worse it gets. One on its own isn't too bad, but after you've had a few... That's going to hurt. That's going to leave a mark. Oh. Yeah, it's cumulative. You can't have just a couple of pieces. That's really hot now. That's really hot now. Pain. That's actually quite uncomfortable. Yeah, the more you eat. Oh, God, imagine eating a whole meal with this stuff. Oh, I'm going to put these to one side where they're safe. I think with the kind of thing I pick at every now and then, if I had like a load of these, I'd be in serious pain. I mean, serious pain right now, but... Right. Robbie, thank you so much for these. They are actually really, really nice. That is really nice. And it's unusual pain. It's not like the kind of chili effect I've had before. It's not making my lips burn. It's just my tongue. Very weird. That's nice. And I love pork scratchings anyway. So Robbie, thank you so much for these. That's really, really awesome. Oh. Yeah, that was a second wind. Oh, I'm going to put these out the way. Oh, crikey. I really wish I wasn't, because it's so cold. I've got like 2 pairs of trousers, 3 pairs of socks, a sweater, a thermal vest, a t-shirt, and my hoodie, and I really wish I wasn't wearing all those now. Robbie, thank you so much for those. It's getting worse. Oh, excuse me. Ooh, it's getting worse. I'm going to have to go now. Before I do any kind of body functions I don't want on telly. Oh, sniffly nose. Thank you so much, Robbie. I was going to thank them for these, but there's just, I ordered those, so there you go. Oh, stay tuned for the... Part 2 of this build is up today for everybody. It's come out of early access, so go and check it out. I'm in the middle of doing episode 3 of this. So that should be up in the next few days in early access for patrons, and then a week later for everybody else. So stay tuned. Oh, don't lick your teeth. There's powder on there and it's burning. I'm going to have to go. Thank you so much for watching. Get yourself some of these Snaffling Pig Company Pig of Doom. Oh, Paul, you'd like these. You'd just wolf the whole thing down and be like, yeah, it's alright. I know what you're like. You'd be like, tastes like salt. I don't think I actually ever want to eat a whole ghost chili in one go, because I think I'd just die. Also, I'd have to do it with that beard. I'm going to go now. Thank you so much for watching. Go take care of yourselves. Go make something awesome. Go be awesome. And until next time, adios amoebas.